We've now got some sparks coming off as he hits it. So that's the mechanism that I've built. It's a lot of fun. I really do love this sort of stuff, but animation is sort of addictive to me there now. So I've got a little geared motor in there. God, that was a $3, $4, $5 geared motor, just going slow, and that's just running off a 12 volt supply there at the moment. I've got two surface mount resistors in there, 1K resistors, and they're going up to, what I've made up on the top there is I put an 0402 LED, which is the flashing spark, and the 0603, which has got a little bit of yellow to show the hot iron on there. Now there's a little bit better view showing that part of it there now, which I'm pretty happy with that. That's an improvement over what I've done previously, putting that spark. That's a trick that I've done there to get that spark. It's the same thing I did, what, 10 years ago on the fireman shoveling coal, that when he turns to go forward to throw the coal in, he opens the coal bin, and the coal door's on the boiler, on the fire door, and there's more light comes out of that. I'll put that on other videos. There's another view of it there. Just two LEDs there. A 603 and a 402 is the flickering one. And how I'm doing that, there's a crank wheel that I've got there. I'll put a piece of brass shim around it there, and that just makes the circuit. The two wipers there are making the circuit for that moment, for the spark. When his hammer hits the iron, the spark's coming off. So that's the 0402 bright white LED doing that. That's pretty much all it is. And the double movement there, you can see how I've done the double movement there. As that helps anybody else trying to do this sort of stuff. And there you go. I'll return him on, and we can slow him up a little bit. And it gets a it's just time work right how he strikes that, and the sparks come off. That's at a slower speed. Anyhow, I'm having fun. I hope you enjoy these videos I put up. Thank you.